wiping with my wrist.
Grandpa, step 2 or 3 or 4, I don't remember. Just flattening it a little bit more.
Assembly.
There's flattening.
I know, but it's still part of the assembly. Oh, no, Anthony's doing it. My hands are
We're both doing it. You're also ruining the video.
Did you guys finish the rice bowls already?
No, we definitely
Doing
started.
filling.
Whoa, hand monster.
Okay.
That's why we started doing this.
And
Okay.
put the filling in
Oh,
and wrap
yeah.
it kind of like a burrito.
Oh!
You got Spedini hands.
And he lays it on a plate for grandson Anthony. Put some together.
Why not? Why not?
Here,
As raw egg.
put your hand in there. Put your hand
Lacey.
fingers off. Yeah.
There's gonna be a few little pieces of
Don't
toothpick
eat the rice.
on the floor.
Oh.
I try to get the little tips, but sometimes they just fly away.
Now tell me what you're doing for him.
Okay, so I take the 2 assembled rolls, you get a bay leaf, and you put them in between. You want to make sure that the flap part is on the inside so that it stays closed. Then you take a toothpick
Like Amelia.
and carefully pierce it through the middle, through the bay leaf, and through the other side. Then you want to push it all the way through so that it's just below the surface. And then clip the other end off. Try not to let this piece go flying. And there you go. Now it's ready to go to breading.